Nutrigrain bars because these are bomb.
I'm going in for the Oreos.
I am going to be doing the chips, the Tortilla chips.
Oh yeah. Alright, hey everybody, what is up? Welcome to another video, you guys. We are doing something super awesome, super fun today, which you guys probably already saw in the title. We're excited to jump into it, get this started, but you guys, what are we doing, Elijah?
Okay, so what we're doing is we're doing the famous brands like Doritos and taste testing with the Walmart brand. So we're gonna be taste testing each one, and we're gonna see which one we're gonna see if we could guess which one's the Walmart brand and the famous brand. So,
and we're also going to be giving you guys the price comparisons.
Yes.
As we're going, we're going to say we've got the Welch's fruit snacks with the great value fruit snacks, and we're going to tell you how much the Welch's are and how much the great value is. So that way, if, I don't know, we might even realize that we like the great value and we might end up saving some money in the future.
I feel like sometimes we grab the name brands because that's what we know and that's what we know we're gonna like. So I think this taste test will be awesome to figure out maybe we will like the Walmart brand. I don't know. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it one by one, and we're gonna be blindfolded. And whoever's blindfolded is gonna take a taste of one, take a taste of the other one, and then they're gonna guess and see if they can get, or they're gonna see if they can guess which one is name brand or which one is Walmart brand.
Awesome.
Let's get started.
here we go.
I'm doing cereal and I'm up first, and I'm doing Fruit Loops, Fruit Loops versus Fruit Spins.
Okay, and the Fruit Loops are 10.1 ounces and it's $2.98, and the great value is 21.7 ounces and it's $2.39.
$2.39.
Okay, here we go.
So we took the boxes away from Emberlyn. Now she has to blindfold herself. So we're gonna see how we're gonna switch it up on her and have her taste them.
Okay, don't look, okay?
I'm not.
Okay, go
Ooh,
ahead
you could try-
and try your right hand first. Okay, try the left side.
Wow. They actually taste similar.
Yeah.
Do they? Which one do you think is the name brand?
But you said you could tell though?
You
Yeah,
can't
I can
tell?
tell.
You could tell. Everly knows her cereal. Wait, don't open your eyes.
I'm not.
Okay, which side is the name brand one? Oh!
Oh!
You're right.
Oh!
That one. So you were right.
Want me to tell you how I knew which one?
How'd you know?
The size.
Oh. But the
Oh!
taste wasn't that different?
No, they literally taste the same.
Wow.
So you would be okay with getting the fruit spins?
Could you get more for your money on that one?
And they're bigger.
And they're bigger. All right, next up, Elijah.
Okay, so now it's my turn, and I picked the Pop-tarts. So we got cookies and cream Pop-tarts. We got, the name brand, and then the Walmart brand. Honestly, from these, I honestly think these ones look a little better. They look better. So I'm excited to taste these out, and I know my Pop-tarts pretty well, so I think I could do this. I just wanted to say, to be honest, I know my Pop-tarts well, but I never tried the cookies and cream.
You're not looking, right? Your eyes are closed?
My eyes are closed. I can
Okay.
even open my blindfold and you'll see that they're closed.
Okay. Go ahead and reach out in front of you and taste the first one.
Okay, so guys, I know my Pop-tarts well, but not the cookies and cream ones. So here we go. I don't know. That's so easy to tell the difference.
Is it?
Oh, very easy.
All
They're
right.
very similar, but very easy.
All right, so which side is the name brand?
This is like super easy. I could tell from the crust. This, wait. This is the name brand. This is the Walmart brand.
Okay, take off your blindfold and see if you're right.
What? These ones taste so much better than.
Oh.
Nice.
So much better. So let's tell everyone the price.
Okay, you guys, so these prices are gonna blow you away. Pop-tarts, $3.68. Great value tarts, $1.
What? And you like them better, dude.
Yeah, also just because it has a lot more flavoring and it's like, I think it's like more like, I guess like thicker, so it has like enough more for the filling. This one, if you look, there's like no filling in it.
Oh.
And this one, you could like see all of it and it has a lot more flavor, so I like this one.
Dude, you were confident about
I
that
was
one.
confident because I don't usually think the like, I guess the fake brands are, I don't like better.
Yeah.
So that caught me off guard.
All right, next up, Ethan.
Okay guys, so now it's my turn. I picked orange juice. So I don't know if I'm gonna get them right because I don't know if I can really even tell the difference between orange. I love orange juice, but
Yeah, so the Simply Orange Juice is $3.98, and then the Great Value brand is $2.84. So let's see if you could tell the difference.
So let us know if you could tell the difference, and also let us know which one you like better.
okay. This is scary.
Okay, just don't put your arms out because I'm going to set the cups in front of you now.
Okay.
I don't want you to spill.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Oh.
All right, and
Wait.
by the way, you guys, you could still get 30% off your Smile More. Check out those cups. Smile More cups.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And these are pulp free.
That tastes different.
Is that good?
Yeah. That's too easy.
All right, which one is the name brand?
That one.
Take your blindfold off and see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You know your juice.
What did you think of them in comparison? Which one's better?
I felt like this one tasted more like peach.
Oh,
I feel like I
okay.
kind of like this one better. Wait, let me try it again. It doesn't. No.
It's not horrible, but you like the
It's
other
not
one
as
better.
good. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Next
Awesome.
up, Ashlyn.
Okay guys, so I got the Nutrigrain bars because these are bomb. So we'll see if I know the difference between the two.
Okay, so the Nutrigrain bars are $2.50, and then the Walmart brand is $1.98, and they both have 8 bars.
Ooh.
So we're gonna see which one Ashlyn likes the best. Okay, Ash, go ahead and eat one of them. Whichever.
Try one first and then try the next.
Okay.
You guys, she loves these cereal bars.
She should know them pretty well.
I already know.
You know?
You do?
I think so.
All right.
Okay, which one is the Nutrigrain and which one is the Walmart brand?
Nutrigrain Walmart.
Oh, wait, so which one do you can lift it up. Which one do you like best?
Is that good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
That
did.
does not taste like good. Ugh.
No? Oh.
Wow.
Like also when I broke it apart, that was more like ooh. I
Just
don't-
like
I don't
broke
like that.
differently.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Okay. Okay.
All right, there you
This
go.
actually tastes like strawberry. This one tastes like
Not strawberry.
I don't like. Ew, no.
All right, so up next, Tina.
Okay, next up, you guys, I'm going in for the Oreos. So, the lady actually at the register scanned this same one twice. She must have thought they were the same cookie because they do look similar.
We're looking at the receipt right here and we're like, it's got the same one twice.
Yeah, so these ones are $1.98, and I'm not sure how much the Oreos are. So if you guys know how much these are, comment down below, let us know. and I'm gonna see how similar they taste.
All right, here we go.
Ready? Okay, I'm going for this one.
Ooh, cheater. I meant eater. Ooh, she knew right where it was, guys. I think she's peeking.
Wow, why did I peek? I really want to know. That's pretty similar.
You know.
I think I know.
Go for it.
Name brand, Walmart brand.
Lift your
Oh,
blood.
yeah. This one tastes just a little bit more chalky.
Like not as good?
It's not bad. Like I would switch over.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
How dare you?
But definitely, I mean, you just know an Oreo's an Oreo.
Yes.
So.
And it's
Awesome. All
All
right.
right, next up, Danny Phillips, please come to the table. Danny Phillips made it to the table.
All right. So I am going to be doing the chips, the Tortilla chips.
Oh yeah.
So we've got the Great Value nacho cheese, and we've got the Doritos nacho cheese. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get these right, but I am curious as to which one I will like more. Because Trader Joe's nacho cheese tortilla chips, I like better than Doritos. So we'll see.
All right, you guys, so she did the same thing on these. She scanned the Doritos twice.
Man, maybe that's why they took her off the register.
$2.50 for the Doritos, and we'll see if we can.
Oh, we got the Doritos. So it balanced out because on the other one we got
Yeah.
the cheaper. So we paid more for the chips.
So we'll see how much. We'll see if we can look up how much for the Great Value. All right, here we go. Go for it. Reach out right in front of you. Wow, a little too far. Quit faking like you can't see it. Cheater. Cheater. Wow, babe, you can't do. Okay.
Why?
No, that's cheating.
Why?
Now you know which bag that is.
No, I don't.
Say you promise.
I promise.
No,
Okay, I'm
What?
swapping it or maybe not. All right, go. Calling me a cheater. I'll show you a cheater. Hamburger eyes.
Ooh. Different texture.
From what?
No different flavor. Still really good.
Different texture from what though? I'm confused.
Oh, surprising. I'm still gonna say. Did you guys put two of the same? You guys put two of the same.
No, we didn't.
Yeah,
No,
you
we did. We would never do that.
Doritos, Great Value.
Are you sure? Final answer?
Final answer.
Take your blindfold off. Oh, you were right. You were right.
These are very good though.
Yeah?
The texture's a little different. These are almost like thinner.
Okay.
And these are little, like just more tortilla chippy, I guess. I don't know. Okay, good.
Tortilla chippy. Okay.
I like these. I would go with the value.
Just to save.
Yes,
All right.
definitely.
Cool.
Okay, guys. Right now it's my turn again because Emberlyn is cooking up. So what I got is the pudding. I got Great Value chocolate pudding and normal chocolate pudding, and I don't really have a lot of pudding, but all I know is it tastes good. So here we go.
Okay, so the Great Value pudding is 88 cents, and the name brand is $1.
So expensive, so cheap.
That's right.
Here we go.
Ooh.
All right, Live, reach out in front of you. There's two with spoons in them.
Try one at a time.
Okay, this one seems lighter. This one seems heavier. Might just because of the spoons, but
The spoon's butt. I didn't know they had butts.
This one tastes like chocolate pudding. No wonder. That's interesting. I think I can tell which one is which.
You think so,
Okay.
huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay, which one is the name brand?
Name brand. Walmart. Oh,
Okay,
Walmart.
take your blindfold
Which one do you like? The name brand?
That's good though, because that just means you can get the cheaper brand and still be satisfied.
This one actually I don't like at all.
Okay, so
It tastes like dark chocolate.
Can I tell you something I noticed though that maybe threw you off a little bit? These are sugar-free.
Oh.
I just noticed it, so
Oh wow.
maybe that threw him off a little bit, but
But
No
you,
wonder it tastes like so much. This one. No wonder this one tastes so much more sweeter. That's why I thought it was this one.
yeah. So that might have thrown it off. Next time we'll get the regular.
yeah, but you still like that one though.
This is really good.
Yeah.
Okay, then hey, I'm game for that.
All right, so next up.
Ethan.
Okay, guys, my turn again. I'm going to be doing fruit snacks, and I think I got this one in the bag. Yeah, or in the box.
All right, so great value is $1.48 on this, and the what is it? Welch's is $2, and then they both have 10 packs in them. Okay, here we go. Don't touch them.
I didn't touch it.
Okay, here's the first one. These fork.
Is it on the floor?
It's on the fork.
I definitely know this one is.
Who else eats fruit snacks with a fork? Let us know down below.
I don't know, just so we don't know if it's the one with the smiley face or the fruit. Oh, why'd you give me like the strawberry one?
You love strawberry. All right.
The first fork was great value. Second was the Welch's.
Okay, take your blindfold off.
I don't really know because which one's the first fork? Was I right? Yeah.
Yeah, you were right. Those ones are really hard.
These are really like hard and like look, it's like hard to squish down.
Even squish.
And like these are just, and it's like hard to chew.
All right. So you like the Welch's best.
I don't like either.
Oh. Which one do you like better?
The Welch's.
The Welch's. Awesome.
Okay, guys, now it's my turn. Last but not least, and for this round, I am doing mac and cheese.
Who else would do mac and cheese but Emberlyn?
Put me.
And she, no joke, scanned the same one twice.
What was with this lady?
I don't know,
They
but
don't even look the same.
it's 98 cents for,
The craft?
yeah, 98 cents for the craft.
Oh man.
And I want to say the other one was 68, if I remember correctly.
Holy moly.
Okay, blindfold on it.
All right, blindfold on, girly. Ember, and if you don't know, if you're new to the channel here, Emberlyn eats mac and cheese at every restaurant we go to. So she knows her mac and cheese. She knows her Kraft mac and cheese. Here we go.
Right in front of you. Go for it. Careful if it's a little
There's a
hot.
fork.
Is there any on?
Yeah, you got a couple on there.
Yes.
Yep.
Do you have an idea?
Oh, she seems confident, folks.
Okay, all right. Which one is the Kraft and which one is the Walmart brand?
Kraft and Walmart.
Oh,
blindfold
take it off.
Right.
Oh.
good.
Really?
So how did you know the difference?
Because this one has not too much flavor as this one.
Oh.
Okay.
So this is a little bit of a different closeout, you guys. So this is next day. I'm finishing up the edit and I realized the last clip of us closing out the challenge was either deleted or did not record. So just want to thank everyone for watching. This was such a fun challenge. You guys, if you guys want us to do another one, comment down below and let us know if you want us to do different items at Walmart versus the Great Value brand, or if there's another store where you want us to do the name brand versus their store brand. So comment down below and let us know. We had so much fun with this. We're definitely gonna be doing these again. And so thanks again. Sorry about the closeout. Make sure to stay tuned for the little short clip at the end of this video that I'm doing. After every video, I'm doing little flashbacks or little bloopers. So make sure to go check that out. And don't forget, choose your day.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so they're foolish.
Cool. Who are you, Superman? Ash, what are you wearing? Look how cute. These are my old Halloween costumes. Superman's dead. Get him.